And joining us now is our Bronson Ask the Expert. We're talking with Dr. Kyle Steeg. How are you doing this morning, sir?
Great. How are you?
I'm doing well. Welcome to the area.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
And you just recently joined the team at Bronson Plastic Surgery.
Yes, I did. Just came on board at the mid-October there.
Okay.
And what types?
Having a real good experience so far.
Well, I'm glad it's off to a good start. What types of patients do you see as a plastic surgeon?
Well, we do a lot of skin cancer, a lot of burn care, a lot of care for trauma, breast reconstruction for cancer. Really runs the gamut, head to toe.
That's really interesting because I think a lot of times when people hear plastic surgery, they're probably thinking of maybe something a little more minor, perhaps. But I think they don't realize the scope of plastic surgery. What types of injuries do you most see in the wintertime?
In the wintertime, accidents related to outdoor things like snowmobiling, people snowmobiling without a helmet. Actually, right now in the fall, people really need to be careful when they're burning leaves because we will see, I'm sure, at least some burn injuries this fall because of it. The big key point is do not try to light your leaves on fire with gasoline because gasoline explodes. So avoid that at all costs and just be careful and have a hose nearby and respect fire. The other thing, as we start getting into winter, people get their snowblowers out. When your snowblower stalls because it's a heavy, wet snow, which happens very often early on in the winter, don't reach in with your hand and try to unclog the snowblower.
Oh,
Yeah, we'll see at least a few of those every year where that happens. You know, it's just a thing that's easy to do. You're in a hurry. You want to get things done, and just a momentary time when you just aren't thinking clearly, and boom, next thing you know, you have to have some surgery on your hand. So just little things like that, just to have in the back of your mind, can help people stay a lot safer this year.
Right. And I would
when you're on your snowmobile, wear your helmet.
yes.
And if you're out hunting, too, I mean, that might be something, too, to think about being careful with. How do you go about repairing these wintertime injuries?
Well, a lot of times with a lot of surgery. So things like facial trauma from crashing your snowmobile, or just, it's not just snowmobiles. It's when you're in a car on an icy road, if you have a big accident, we end up having to put things back together. And, without getting too gruesome, it's sometimes a bit of a task. So just use a little bit of extra caution this time of year and stay safe and hopefully donate to Toys for Tots.
Yes.
If you're from the last segment.
If you're just joining us, we're talking with Dr. Kyle Steeg. He is a plastic surgeon at Bronson Plastic Surgery Specialist. If somebody has questions about plastic surgery procedures, what should they do?
Well, you can always call us, Bronson Plastic Surgery Specialist. We'd be happy to talk to you if you need a referral. You can talk to your primary care physician, and they can direct you our way. We're always here for you. Just let us know when you need us.
And you could also visit bronsonhealth.com to get some more information and also call that phone number. Dr. Kyle Steeg of Bronson Plastic Surgery Specialist, we appreciate your time this morning. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me on.
Thank you.